Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to log out of YouTube account on mobile. To start this tutorial, open and locate your YouTube application in your mobile device. Once you're here, tap on your profile picture on the upper right. In here, tap on Manage your Google account. It's highlighted in blue. In here, you will see your very own Google account's personal settings. You're going to close that, and then click on your profile photo once again, and then tap on your username. In here, you're going to click on another email that you have logged in using your YouTube. And that means that account has now been switched. In here, click on your profile once again, then tap your full username. In here, there are options of switching to another email once again. Now this time, you can close it. In here, you will manage your Google account once again. And that's it. You have successfully logged out or switched Gmail accounts over at your YouTube application. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, share, and please subscribe.